Good morning all, CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday morning, November 7th. We're looking at Window Trader's market profile of the ESNENQ. I don't think there's anything really out today. I know Powell is speaking tomorrow morning, right before the opening, and then again on Thursday, I believe at 2 p.m. Eastern Time. He's the only one I care about. I know there's a lot of Fed heads, I believe, speaking today. He's the only one, though, that I really have any concern about what he might say. We had a consolidating day yesterday in the ES with an inside day. Very wide overnight point of control, 21 wide, bouncing around. Remember, what we have inside of yesterday is the 9 wide POC. That was the same case with NQ. That was 10 wide. NQ is pushing up towards value high from yesterday. They do have a wide POC also. And remember, they never consolidated yesterday, really. Right? Technically, they still took out Friday's high. Righty, on the other hand, firmly came into balance, taking out Friday's low. They still have the gap below. If they take out yesterday's low, you can call the daily down and then see what happens if they fill that gap. Okay? That would be something to keep an eye on in the righty. If they stay in yesterday's range, well, then we would still be in balance. Look, it's healthy for the market to pause. I think at some point it will even be healthy for us to take out a daily low, come into some sort of balance, trade in balance for a couple of days, and then come out of that balance to the upside to have a healthier push to try to take out October's high. That is the next, right? We talk about like steps in war, taking over certain pieces of real estate. Well, that's a huge one for the bulls, to take over October's high and get acceptance, right? Not just to get it, but to get acceptance. Game plan for this morning? Well, to me, this looks like a massive amount of chop again. I didn't take a trade in A period yesterday, and I still had a very good day, right? Let the market and the trade come to you. Be the lion waiting in the tall grass and let the prey, right, run by you and you grab it rather than chasing it all over the place. Again, a front runner of the overnight high? Possible. Front run of the overnight low, definitely possible, because that's a huge level to defend, right? Yes, yesterday's low is big for a couple of reasons. Number one, you would officially stop the one-time framing up. Number two, you'd be coming out of an inside day to the downside. Number three, that means you would have taken out the overnight low and have value overlapping to lower at least, which would be the first time in over 5 days. So do you see how important this level is to defend? So we'll see what happens. If we do take it out, we're still in balance unless we take out Friday's low. Then you'd be going into the gap. As far as the upside, yeah, you can take the short against the overnight high. Now again, we have 70 minutes to go prior to the opening, so these can change. Obviously, if the overnight high was closer to M's high, it might be a better risk-reward short, and then you're out above the day's high. Over here, I would be out of it pretty soon if we took it out, because there's nothing to lean on until yesterday's high. And then on the chart, so again, here's the daily. That's last week's high right here. That's also October's high. That's the big goal to get. We'll see if they're going to be able to do that inside day. Go with it and monitor for continuation or lack of. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Good luck trading today, and we'll recap at 4 p.m.